Hello, hello, Team Cup Runneth Over. Yay! It's day 15 of 15 days with your PSK. Whoops, sorry about my table. And I'm so excited because we are going to wrap up this awesome thing that we've been doing for you guys to help you get into your kit and use your oils and try your oils and experience every one of them and all that's in the kit. So today we are going to finish up talking about the amazing program that Young Living has that's called Essential Rewards. A lot of us call it our monthly wellness box. Now, two other things that you would have gotten with your kit would be the Essential Oils magazine, a copy of that, which is so cool. If you have not looked through it, there's recipes and articles and so much cool information. So make sure you check that out. And then the other part of your kit is that you would have gotten a product guide. If you've had a chance to look through this, you will have learned that Young Living is so much more than just essential oils. Young Living is a complete wellness company. So there are supplements, there's toxin-free makeup, toxin-free cleaners, toxin-free skincare, body care, hair care. They've got it all, and trust me, I've been with this company for almost 4 years, and everything I try is amazing. It is really good quality, and I love that you do not have to worry about the ingredients that are in there. So if you're like me, when you got your product guide, you went through and you started making circles of all things to a whole wish list thing. So Essential Rewards auto ship program that's completely optional but is amazing that Young Living has. This is really when you are ready to make a commitment to yourself that you are ditching out toxic chemicals and you want to start to get more healthy products into your home and get rid of some of the old products that you were using. Maybe you just love the oils and you're a do-it-yourselfer and you need more oils for different recipes. But what I like to say when we're thinking about a healthy lifestyle is it's kind of like we know, like vegetables. We know that vegetables are good for us, but if we eat broccoli one time, we're probably not going to notice that big of an impact in our lives. You have to eat healthy for quite a while before you start to see the positive effects. Well, using healthy and natural products and kicking chemicals to the curb is very similar. You need to make a commitment that this is going to be part of your new lifestyle and you're going to move all the junk out of your home and start switching in really awesome natural products, which is where Young Living comes in because, oh my goodness, they have got some amazing good stuff that you can feel great about using in your home. So let me tell you a little bit about how the monthly auto ship program works. It's very easy. You go in to your virtual office and you click on the Essential Rewards tab and it helps you. It's like an automatic program that helps you sign up for it. So basically you pick a day of the month that you would like your order to go through. A lot of the day after, or they pick a day of the month that they will oh, I got to remember to get my order in. So you pick a day, then you need to have at least 50 PV of products in your cart each month. So 50 PV is usually equal to $50. Most items, if you look in the product guide, they have a price. If you have your kit, you're a wholesale member, so you get the wholesale price. And next to the price is also a PV amount. Most of it is dollar for dollar. $1 equals 1 PV. There are a few items in the catalog like diffusers or like different cases and different things that don't have the same PV as dollar amount. So you just have to keep that in mind. It's a 50 PV minimum to be on Essential Rewards. Now, that's not a lot. It's like a bottle of Thieves and a bottle of peppermint and a bottle of lemon. That's an order. Or 2 bottles of Thieves cleaner. It's not very much, and it's an awesome way to start switching things out. So you need $50 or 50 PV roughly in your cart each month. You can change your cart every month. So I know a lot of people are worried like, oh, I don't need the same things every month. Well, that's what's awesome about it. You go in there before your processing date each month and you change up your cart to what you need. So in the summer, I get, bug spray and sunscreen, toxin-free version, so I don't have to worry about the things I'm putting on my body and my kid's body. And so I can order that. And during Christmas time, I can put some gifts on there or things to make some bath salts and fun stuff for family and friends. In the spring, I'm thinking spring cleaning. So I'm putting my Thieves cleaner on there and some more Thieves dish soap and things like that. So you change it up each and every month to what you want, which is really awesome. It's like your oily shopping list. And then here's the benefits of doing that, because you can order, once you get your kit, you're a wholesale member. So you can jump on Young Living at any time and place a quick order and you're going to get the wholesale price. And that is awesome. That's already a really great deal. But the thing with Essential Rewards is that you get some perks for being an Essential Reward member, for being loyal and ordering each month. And these are the perks. You earn 10% to 25% back in free product points. So on the first 3 months you're on it, you're going to earn 10% back. So that means if you place a 100 PV order, you're getting 10 PV points back. It's like $10 that you get to spend on free product. After the third month, that jumps up to 20%. So that means if you spend 100 PV, you're getting $20 back to go buy free product. That's like a free bottle of oil. That's really awesome. That's almost a free bottle of Thieves cleaner right there, just in one order. So they really are generous and they really give you a lot back. After 24 months, it jumps up to 25%. So that's amazing. 10 to 25% back just for shopping with Young Living is amazing. I mean, Target, I think their card gives you 5% back when you shop there. So imagine that, 10 to 25% back just for placing your orders. The other amazing thing that you get is you get gifts at 3, 6, 9, and 12 months. And they're really awesome oil gifts that you get. And the 12-month gift is a really special blend. It's called Loyalty, and you can only get it on Essential Rewards. So you can't even order this blend unless you're on the Essential Rewards program. And they give it to you free at 12 months. So in your third month, you get a gift, 6 month, 9 month, and 12 month, just for being on the Essential Rewards back. So 10 to 25% back, plus free gifts, 3, 6, 9, and 12 months. And then there's also more bonuses. So Young Living has special exclusive things that they give to people who are just on Essential Rewards. Young Living has a promotion each and every month where they give away free items for certain PV orders. If you're not on ER, it starts at 190 PV, so roughly $190 order, and they give you a couple free items. Usually it's an oil or two. It's always awesome. And then at 250, they add a little more, and at 300, they add a little more. Well, when you're on Essential Rewards, at the 100 PV mark, they give you a free oil. So you have to be on ER to get that. And then they always have an extra bonus for the other levels as well. So you end up, if you're on Essential Rewards, usually getting 2 to 3 extra free items at those PV levels. So I can't even tell you how generous Young Living is. I have gotten hundreds, probably thousands of dollars of free products from being on this Essential Rewards monthly auto ship program. And the thing is that some people just want to do a quick order, and that's awesome. And like I said, you are getting wholesale price, and you can jump on and do a quick order at any time. But the thing is that most people end up placing between 3 and 4 quick orders a year, and then their quick orders are bigger because they're kind of waiting till they need stuff, and then they're getting, all of it at once. And so they're ordering, I don't know, maybe $150 or so on that quick order. And they could just divide it up 50 PV a month and actually earn all this percent back and get all these free gifts. And they're missing out on that because instead of just each month thinking about ordering a couple things and earning all those points back in those gifts, they're just waiting until they need a bunch of stuff and ordering bigger orders a few times a year instead of smaller orders every month a year. So I will post an image in the comments that's just kind of the difference. They end up spending the same amount of money as if they would have just ordered a little bit each month versus ordering a few big orders over the year, but they missed out on all kinds of free product points and on all the free gifts and bonuses. So that is just a little bit about Essential Rewards. It is an amazing program. Here are some things to remember. You can cancel it at any time. So that's something that people are always worried about. They're kind of thinking, oh, okay, if I get on this, but it's not my thing, or I'm not liking it, which trust me, you're going to get on it. And when your boxes arrive each month, it's something that you're excited for and also you can feel good about. So you're not only just getting something fun for yourself, but you're bringing things into your home that are life-changing and health-changing and wellness-changing. So you can feel super good about it. Oh my goodness, completely lost my train of thought there. What was I saying? Oh, gosh, I don't remember what I was saying. I got so excited about thinking about my monthly wellness box that I forgot. But, oh man, I wish I could see the comments. I don't see anybody's comments on here. Is anybody on here? Oh well, I'll have to go back and rewatch and maybe comment. Sorry about that, guys. But I don't know where I was going with that. Oh yeah. So you can cancel at any time. I don't know if that's where I was going, but if it's not your jam, if you try it for a couple months and you don't like it, you can totally cancel. There's no time limit to it. You can go on it and go back off it and go back on it again. But keep in mind, if you stop or if you cancel, you're going to reset back to that 10% if you jump back on, and you will lose any points if you've accumulated points and you haven't spent them yet. So you want to use up your points if you decide that you're going to, it's not for you and you need to take a break or whatever. You can just use up those points. And the cool thing with the points is that you can either spend them each month after you use them. So I earn them, and right now I earn 25% because I've been doing Essential Rewards and loving it for a really long time. So I earn 25% back. So if I spend 100 PV order, I'm getting $25 of free product. I usually each and every month go right away and order some more stuff and use them up. But you can bank them, you can save them, and you can wait until you have enough points to order something really special. So I know people have waited and then they've ordered like the Feelings Kit, where it's all these oils that are blends for your emotion and emotional support, or the Raindrop Kit, which is a super cool massage technique that works on oils on your spine and is super awesome for your body. People have saved up for all kinds of stuff. The Biblical Oils Kit, that was one that I was so excited about. It's up there. Woo! And I saved for that with my ER points. So you can either spend them right away, or you can bank them and save them and spend them all in one big chunk and get a lot of really cool stuff at once. You do have to pay shipping. When you go to use your ER points, you're going to do them in a quick order. And there's a special little section that you pull down almost like a credit, and you can use your ER points just like money. But you do have to pay shipping. So a lot of times people do like to bank them, so they only have to pay shipping once. So I'm trying to think of anything else that I may have missed about Essential Rewards. I think I've pretty much covered it all. I really think it is awesome. It's a commitment to yourself and your family. A lot of times people will start to look at where they're spending their money on their products, and they'll just reallocate it towards Essential Rewards. So if you're buying your toothpaste and your hand soap and different things at the grocery store, or maybe at Target or at things like that, and you start to look at those ingredients and you're getting a little bit, you're starting to understand and wake up to that there's these toxic chemicals and these things that you don't want for your family, then you can start to take that money that you would have spent at the grocery store or Target, and you just reallocate it towards that ER order, and then you order your stuff through Young Living, and you earn points back and get free products. So It's very awesome. There are other things that you can do to make Essential Rewards even better. You can share your discount with your friends and family, and you can add their order to your Essential Rewards order each month. And that means you get more points back, more percent. You're going to get the percentage back on their orders. And then it might bump you up to those freebie marks at 100 PV to 200 PV to 300 PV. And you might get all those free products that Young Living has each month. Each and every month they switch them up, and they're always so exciting and cool. So there's lots of ways to do Essential Rewards. You can do it, just the 50 PV a month and get a couple things and try some new things and work out that wish list that you probably have circled all the things. Or you can start sharing with your family and friends and add it to your order and get some free stuff and get lots of free points that you can spend later on for really cool things. So I really hope that I've covered everything with Essential Rewards. I know a lot of you are on Essential Rewards. So if you are, maybe comment in this post about what you love about Essential Rewards. So those members who have not tried it yet can see some other people's aspects of it. And I know that a lot of the leaders right now this month are actually doing really cool promotions for Essential Rewards. And if you join Essential Rewards in April, so if you haven't touched base with your leader and you haven't heard about an Essential Rewards promo, there's a good chance that they have one for you and that they're going to give you something on top of all the other cool perks of Essential Rewards. They're going to give you a bonus of some sort. And if this is after April and you're watching this, contact your upline and ask them, hey, are you doing an Essential Rewards promotion? Because there's a good chance that they are, and they want you to join Essential Rewards and experience this awesome program and how amazing it is, and just the amazingness of changing out old products and trying these new toxin-free, healthy lifestyle products, that they're going to want to, give you a little bonus for doing that. So that is all the excitement of Essential Rewards. This is the conclusion of our 15 days with your PSK. Hopefully by now you have tried all these oils, and you've tried the Ningxia Red, and you've tried the Thieves Cleaner, and you are being blown away by how amazing these oils and products are. Hopefully you've had some really cool experiences in your family, and I just encourage you to keep digging in and keep learning, keep plugging into our team, because we love to share recipes and we love to help each other and inspire each other towards health and wellness. So I'm so glad you're part of this team. I'm so glad you got your kit. I'm so glad you've done this 15 days with your PSK with us. And if you ever have friends that join in, make sure that you tag them in the file with all these videos. I'm going to put this in a file for everyone so that you can access it at any time and rewatch and re-go over the oils of your kit. And make sure you look in this catalog and expand beyond the kit, because there's so much more and it's so, so good. So, all right, guys, so glad that you have stuck with us for these 15 days, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day and enjoy your kit. Bye.